Hey guys, it's Brian again with another vintage box fan video. What I have for you here is a 14-inch Phoenix branded box fan, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, these were made by Frigid. It's got the original tilt stand. The paint is in very good condition. Blade is perfectly straight. It's a 2-speed model with the push button switches, as you can see here. The tag is not great. It's got a curled up edge there, as you can see. But the handle is still there, the original handle. It does have a couple of paint chips in it, and it definitely could use a good cleaning, but other than that, the fan itself is actually really, really nice. I believe this one to be from the late 1950s, if I'm not mistaken, possibly even early 60s. I'm not sure. I've been told this is probably a late 50s box fan. People have told me these were made by Frigid. I've never heard of Phoenix. I'm guessing this was a relabel. Definitely on the bigger side of the small box fans. Show you the back here. It's got a General Electric motor. And even though it's upside down, I will go ahead and read this off for you. It's a General Electric fan, and it draws, how many amps? Let me see. 1.5 amp General Electric motor. Yeah, the grill could use a little bit of polishing and cleaning with some chrome polish for sure, and some steel wool. But the cage itself, the box itself, is actually in pretty good shape with minimal rust. I don't really see a whole lot of imperfections here. I have no idea what the model number of this fan is. There is no tag on it whatsoever. Could not find one. But there it has the original cord, and though it may look original, that was definitely a replacement plug. You can see it's got the orange bottom, so definitely came from Home Depot. I've used those before myself. But the fan itself is really nice. I bought it from a guy on Marketplace. I believe it was Marketplace. And he had bought it from the original owner, who had had it for 50 odd years and kept it in the original shape, and obviously took pretty good care of it. Runs perfectly. This is the first of the 14-inch box fans that I've come across in my collecting career. Most of the ones I have are 12-inchers. And this is the first small one that I've had that has push-button switches, which is what really attracted me to it. You know, I like these small box fans to begin with, but that being said, I love the push-button ones. So let's go ahead and turn it on. We're going to start with high. Pretty slow startup, but I love that startup sound. I'll be sure to get a clip of that at the end of the video. It's a hell of a runner. Very quiet. It does not vibrate at all. And it moves a ton of air. I mean, this thing is just really powerful. It definitely would make a good daily runner. Switch it to medium. Still moving a ton of air on medium. I mean, it's definitely a powerful fan. I can only imagine what this would be like with 3 speeds. It'd probably be really quiet on low. Still a really quiet fan. I mean, honest to God, I really like this fan. I'm definitely going to keep this one. Then we'll go ahead and shut her down. And I have not oiled this. I just got it, and I have not put a drop of oil in it. But it does have a oil straw on the front and back bearing on the motor, which is really nice. You can tell this is a well-built fan. Definitely not a cheap fan. It's got a pretty good spin down. Bearings are definitely good. I'm impressed. This was definitely well taken care of in its life. So I'm going to go ahead and do the startup sound for you here. I'm going to put it to high. So here we go. The motor does have a little bit of vibration, but just at first. So there you have it. That's the 14-inch Phoenix 2-speed box fan with the original tilt stand. Hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching. More videos to come.